Welcome to Winners 10 YouTube channel. This video is about the SAP GUI for Windows 7.70 released by SAP on 29 January 2021, that is yesterday. SAP GUI is the front-end component and graphical user interface to log into SAP systems. In this video, I will discuss about the life cycle and the latest features included in the new SAP GUI 7.70. Before I begin this video, I request you to please subscribe Winners 10 YouTube channel and activate the bell icon to receive notifications on latest video uploads. To start with the life cycle of SAP GUI 7.70, this version was released by SAP and available in SAP Service Marketplace for downloads from 29 January 2021. SAP GUI 7.70 is supported by SAP until 9th April 2024. SAP GUI for Windows 7.70 was created with Microsoft Visual Studio 2019, which is in mainstream support by Microsoft until 9th April 2024. Therefore, SAP GUI is supported until 9th April 2024. Previous version, that is SAP GUI 7.60, which was released on 25th February 2019, and as per SAP GUI lifecycle, the support ends by SAP on 12th April 2022. There is an overlap of support duration for 760 and 770 versions of about 14 months. During this period, SAP will release the patches for 760 and also 770 as per the normal patch cycle. That is, every 3 months SAP will release new patch, and in between hot fixes with urgent bug fixes if any. Coming to the new features included in SAP GUI 7.70. One of the important features included is alternative browser control. So far, until SAP GUI 7.60, SAP GUI uses Internet Explorer as only browser control. So any functionalities that opens in browser needs Internet Explorer to open them. Though operating system default browser is Edge, Chrome or any other browser, SAP GUI HTML browser control was coded to use only Internet Explorer. But from SAP GUI 7.70, SAP included Chromium browser control to launch the browser functionalities in Edge browser. However, by default in SAP GUI 7.70, Internet Explorer will be the default browser control, but user can change the browser control from SAP logon pad options. Moreover, SAP not included Edge Web View 2 in SAP GUI, so customers have to manually install the updates from Microsoft official channels. Users can switch the Chromium browser control from SAP logon pad options control settings as shown in this video. There is also an option to enable search provider. Coming to the second important feature included in SAP GUI 7.70 is 64-bit versions of NWRFC controls. The SAP GUI shipment includes 4 controls. They are logon control, function control, WAPI control and table factory control, which can be used for getting data from an SAP system without using SAP GUI. Up to release 7.60, these controls are only available as 32-bit versions. Especially with the stronger usage of Microsoft Office 64-bit edition, this has become a challenge because 32-bit controls cannot be easily invoked from a 64-bit process. As of release 7.70, SAP offering 64-bit versions, both non-Unicode as well as Unicode of these controls, which can be installed in parallel to 32-bit versions. With this, scripts using these controls can also be run from 64-bit processes like Microsoft Office 64-bit. Coming to the default theme included in SAP GUI 7.70 is Quads theme. This is the successor to Belize theme, which was the default theme in SAP GUI 7.60. So Quads theme uses Fiori 3.0. For the first time, SAP offering a dark version of the theme that can be used by users who prefer a dark background. So this is the dark theme included in SAP GUI 7.70. So there are 4 Quads themes. Those include Quads Light, Quads High Contrast White, Quads High Contrast Black and Quads Dark. So these are the important features included in SAP GUI 7.70. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe InvestGen YouTube channel and activate the bell icon to receive notifications on latest video uploads. Thank you so much.